A 2015 Lexus ES350. We're doing a cabin air filter in it today. So the first step is going to be to go ahead and open up the glove box, and we're going to remove this tray right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull up on this side here, and then this side just comes out like that. All right. And then we're going to remove this back cover right here. To do that, we just push this tab in, pull towards us, and that releases it like that. And then we're going to remove this door right here, push this tab in, pull towards us, unlocks this side. Same thing with the other side. Push in, pull towards us. Now this door, when you go to put it back in, it does need to go in a certain way. That's why it says up right here on the door. Now, the filter here, this is a factory filter. It says up. With an aftermarket filter, they're normally labeled with airflow direction, which is down, okay? Pull this out. Here is our upgraded aftermarket filter. You can see, usually when they're black like this, that usually means they're impregnated with charcoal, which cuts down on odor, okay? So here's your factory filter. It's just paper. And then this one is a whole lot thicker, whole lot heavier, so it filters a lot better. And it has a charcoal in it, so it'll make your car smell a lot cleaner. And we notice here, we have arrows on this one. This is the airflow direction, which is down. If you want to get one of these filters, look in the description box. I'll have a link that takes you to Amazon, where you can pick up one of these filters, these upgraded filters. And they're usually actually cheaper than the OEM filters. So we just get in here, replace it just like that. It's super easy in this car. And we just get that cover and make sure it says up. Push it back on here, make sure it locks. Then we get our cover. Now the left side of the cover will go in first. It will hook in like this. And we just push it on here. And then our tray, the right side of the tray goes on first. Just put it in the slot here. And then these two little slots here, we just line these up. You can see what I'm doing. Like that. Push down on it like this. And you're all done. Well, I hope this Lexus video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me, or leave me a comment if you could. And again, if you want to get a filter, check down in the description box below, and hope you guys have a great day.